When a truck wreck leaves someone seriously injured, most people focus on what happened in the moment. Was the truck speeding? Did the driver run a red light, or was the vehicle overloaded? But often the most powerful evidence comes from what happened long before the collision. In Georgia truck accident cases, poor maintenance records can become a turning point. And this is where it's so important to note that truck wrecks are not to be handled like a car wreck that involves a larger vehicle. Truck wrecks require special expertise and experience. You need an attorney that knows the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, or the FMCSRs. Commercial trucks are powerful machines, often weighing 20 to 30 times more than an average passenger car. That's why the federal rules require commercial carriers to keep detailed inspection and repair logs. Now, when these records are missing, if they're incomplete or they're falsified, it can point directly to negligence. For crash victims who are suffering physically, emotionally, and financially, uncovering that negligence can mean the difference between a denied claim and a life-changing recovery. Federal and state laws require routine inspections before and after trips, corrective maintenance for known issues, and proper record keeping of repairs and part replacements. When maintenance logs are missing or they are manipulated, it becomes much harder to know if the trucking company followed the rules or deliberately cut corners. If a trucking company failed to fix worn brake pads or ignored repeated issues with steering alignment, the consequences, it can be fatal. If the company then failed to document those violations, it raises serious legal and ethical concerns. One of the first things my firm does after a crash is to send what's called a spoliation letter. This is legal notice requiring the truck driver, the trucking company, the insurance company to preserve critical evidence, including maintenance records. These documents can prove the truck was unsafe before the crash even happened, that the company failed to follow inspection schedules, or that repairs were delayed, skipped, or handled improperly. They can also prove the driver reported issues that went unaddressed, and that the same issue caused other incidences in the past. Look, we've handled high-stake trucking cases all across Georgia where maintenance failures were hidden, sometimes intentionally, until our legal team and our experts uncovered the truth. We've seen several issues in past trucking cases involving faulty or incomplete maintenance records. These include missing DVIRs, or driver vehicle inspection reports, which are the pre- and post-inspection forms that the drivers must keep and submit. If they're missing, it may show the driver never inspected the vehicle. We also look for inconsistent repair logs. If a brake issue shows up on one report and disappears for some reason on the next without a repair invoice, it may suggest cover-up or falsification. Gaps in scheduled service logs pointing to a lack of preventative maintenance, like regular oil changes or brake checks, that can suggest cost-cutting at the expense of the safety of the general public. Poor maintenance documentation is not just a paperwork violation. It can demonstrate a pattern of neglect. If a company routinely skips inspections or fails to log repairs, it shows a culture of disregard for safety regulations. And this can support a negligence claim or even lead to punitive damages if willful disregard for safety is proven. Furthermore, it could support claims that this poor maintenance caused the wreck. For example, if brakes failed and the repair logs show no recent service, that directly links the crash to the mechanical neglect. Truck crash claims in Georgia, they're never simple. But when maintenance issues are involved, they often require more investigative work and technical knowledge than just a standard car wreck case. Our legal team works with forensic experts to analyze timestamps, metadata, and repair invoices to recover what really happened. We collaborate and work with accident reconstructionists to analyze skid marks, impact angles, gouge marks, and black box data. We prepare every claim like it's going to trial, because that is often what it takes to hold these negligent trucking companies accountable. The trucking company has already started building their defense, I assure you. I started out defending insurance companies on the other side. Preserving maintenance records and exposing the gaps is a race against time. If the company is allowed to quietly dispose of repair logs, to delete emails, or alter inspection sheets, your ability to prove liability becomes that much harder with each and every passing day. That's why my firm acts quickly. From the moment you contact us, we move to preserve records, to request the data, and to launch a full investigation. If maintenance issues played a role in your crash, we will find out, and you can bet that we will fight to hold the negligent company or companies accountable. Now, if you were hurt by a negligent trucking company, their truck driver, we're ready to help. Just give me a call right now, 770-934-8000. I wrote the book on tractor trailer claims right here in Georgia. We've recovered more than $1 billion. You have nothing to lose by calling me. But think of all you can lose if you don't.